Hi, in this video I just want to expound on the last topic of nightly maintenance jobs, and I'm going to add a weekly maintenance job here. And it's amazing in production how lots of companies I've worked for don't have any weekly or nightly maintenance jobs in place, and you would run into basically some kind of odd production issues or performance issues, and all someone has to do is run update statistics on a certain table, on a series of tables. So right here I'm actually gonna do a new SSIS package that is simply weekly maintenance. Maintenance, and I'm gonna add, last time I added a update statistics. I probably want to put that actually in the weekly set of tasks, and actually even shrink database could probably be a weekly, but overall it really depends on your environment, so you have to know your environment and actually get certain statistics on disk usage and how many new rows are actually inserted in the database, and really know your data and your production environment to actually kind of know when certain jobs should be scheduled. But I really want to just go over kind of steps on how to do it in SSIS and show you basically how easy it really is, and there's really no excuse not to have these in some periodic form in production. So I'm gonna just add the check database, which is more like a consistency checker. And then I'm going to add the rebuilding of the database indexes, reorganizing of the indexes, and update statistics. So just like last time with the nightly jobs, it's actually fairly basic in that you're going to add a new connection here. And once again, I'm just going to call it local server, and I'm going to use NT authentication. And if you have a SQL instance, actually in my case I do have a SQL instance. I don't just have one instance running per server, so I have to specify explicitly the instance. So right now it's just going to error out, and I am going to click and I'm going to specify my instance. And I'm going to choose once again all user databases, and I'm simply going to click OK, and I'm going to do the same for each one of these. And all of these maintenance jobs are in SSIS by default for a reason, so it is a very good idea to simply use every one of these and examine within your production environment how you should be scheduling them. So you'll see I'm just choosing all the user databases here, and once again I'm going to chain them one after the other upon completion. So that's going to run after that runs, that will run after this runs, and that will run after this runs. And I'm going to click on the arrow and I'm going to say upon completion. And the reason why I'm choosing upon completion is if it fails, I'll get a error message in the error logs in the event logs, in which case I would have to investigate anyway. So there you go. Here's a set of weekly tasks that should be performed simply by scheduling this SSIS package within the SQL Server agent. So thank you for watching.